Enhance your property with RW Concrete Premier Concrete Slab, pouring and finishing solutions. Unlock the potential of your space with our expert concrete slab design and installation services. As a leading concrete slab contractor, we specialize in creating durable, high-quality concrete slabs for all types of applications. RW Concrete provides durable concrete slab pours and finishing services in Paterson, New Jersey. Versatile slab solutions from residential slabs for homes to warehouse foundation slabs. Our concrete work is tailored to meet your specific needs. We use only the highest quality concrete materials, which means every concrete slab construction project meets our stringent standards for quality and durability. RW Concrete provides comprehensive concrete slab installation services from the initial design phase through to installation. Whether you need a hot tub pad, a concrete slab for a garden shed, or concrete pads for dog kennels, we have the expertise to deliver perfectly tailored slabs. Every project is a new opportunity to showcase our commitment to excellence. Whether enhancing a residential property or setting the foundation for a large commercial warehouse, our concrete slabs are designed to offer superior performance and aesthetic appeal. Contact RW Concrete to discuss your needs and see how our concrete slab services in Paterson, New Jersey can make a difference in your next project. Let's build something lasting together. Thanks for watching.